Okay, here we go. We're gonna start off with this problem here. We have negative 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. So we know that these are all multiples of 2, so that means the greatest common factor is 2, because you can't use 4x for one go to 2 or 6. So we use 2. The greatest common factor of this is 2. So we have this would be our equation that we're going to plug into the x. So here we have x squared times 4 is c times a. So negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Then we just pretty much need to figure out what would multiply to get this, and at the same time add to get 3x. So this is what I got: 4x times negative 1x multiplies to this and adds to this. With that, we can plug this into this box. So off the bat, I know that this would have to be 2x's, because that's the only way to get x squared. So 2x's, there's only one way to get negative 1x with 1x, is just put negative 1 here. So we take this down, negative 1. There's only one way to get to negative 4 with a negative 1, and that's to multiply it by 4. We take it across, and it turns out to be 4x, so it works out perfectly. So the way we factor this is x plus negative 1 and x plus 4. No. It'd be x negative 1, x minus 1, because of this negative here. Moving on to the next one. There's no greatest common factor, because these are not multiples of 2, 3, 4, anything. So we can just plug this in simply how it is here. Sorry, my mom's cooking. We have 2x squared times 2, we get 4x squared. We have to figure out what could multiply to get this, x squared. So we have to use 2 x's, because x times x is x squared. That's how we get it here. And we could move this b here to the bottom of x. 4x plus 1x equals 5x, so that works out fine. Anyways, so here we go. We have 2x squared here. We could figure that we have to put 2 x's because of this x squared, and these are both multiples of 2, so we can drag this out this way. So we put 2x, and that makes this pretty simple. 2x times 2 is 4x. And we want to get this 1x, and that makes 2 here. So we factor this with 2x plus 1 and x plus 2. Here we go. Moving on to the last part, we'll do these fast. So x squared plus 3 plus 3x plus 2. We can start off by plugging. We don't have a c, but we have a b, so we plug this in first. We figure that 2x plus 1x is 3x, and we multiply these to get here. Then we take these and plug them in to the box. And here, bring this here. And x squared like last one. 1x. 1 times 2 is 2, and x times 2 is 2x, so we factor this x plus 1 and x plus 2. This one we're missing b, but we have c and a, so we can multiply these to get this top factor here. And we get negative 4x squared. We need to figure out what can multiply to get negative 4x squared. Negative 4x times 1x. 2x is to get this x squared. And these add to get negative 3. So we plug this into the box just like last one. X squared. 1x. Negative 4, 1, negative 4, negative 4, and x, negative 4. We factor this way.